And we are back with another video, and today we will be replacing the seat belt on our loader here. Stay tuned. All right, we got our 11/16 socket on there, our electric ratchet.
Whoa!
Take our old one out, that aside. We got our new one here. Install date, ready to go. Next up, we got the belt. We're gonna go ahead and take that off. You gotta move the seat forward. Hold up. There we go. All right. And that's it. Good to go.
Bye-bye!
And that was changing an expired seatbelt on a 966G loader. I'd appreciate it if you guys like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if you guys like this content. Thank you and have a great day.